Hello guys and welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beat from scratch, Afro gospel beat in FL Studio. So without any further ado, let's get into the prompt enter. But first off, let's take a listen. Then I will share with you the breakdown of this beat. Let's get into it.
You are listening to SamieRecords. SamieRecords.
Yeah, so guys, now you've listened to it. So what I'm going to do right now is just to share with you the breakdown, alright? But first off, let's see what we got. I created something pretty simple like this. You know, we have the parts going on in that aspect. Then we have the guitar, alright? So what I did is to consolidate it. Then this is another vibes, alright? We have different groove right there. Then after that, I also have another one. We have the bass. You know, just to create something like that. Then we have that one. So literally that's what I have there because I've already arranged the song, alright? And then so what I did now is to introduce a piano. Alright, I've mixed all of them, but what I did is just to mute all of them. You can see it now. Don't worry, by the time I mix everything will come out. Actually, everything has been mixed, but what I did now, because of this tutorial purpose, I had to mute all the mix version so that I can give room for my RAM, okay? Now you can see the effects and everything is routed to the sub master, and then I also gain stages right there. Alright, you can see that if I enable it, so everything has been properly mixed. Alright, but then I'm still going to disable all the effects so that we can take a listen and proceed. Do you get my point? So literally there's nothing much, there's nothing crazy. I just arrange it and add some little touch. You know, we have the shaker going on right there, just like that. We also have the conga. Alright, pretty simple. Then I think I panned it to the left. Alright, you can see that? Yeah. So what we have here is what we have here. I just consolidate it. You can see that it's the same thing. All right, so just consolidate it. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you guys the instruments, the name of the instruments, all right, of individual plugin. Awesome. Yep. So we have it right there. I'm just going to mute that one. Awesome. Having said that, let's proceed. Then we have some roll and some fiddle, you know, just to add to the vibes. And then like that, yeah, trust me, I don't really do much. I just arrange it. All right.
SamieRecords.
So the plugin for this one, inside Analog Lab, you can see the name indicated. All right, so that's the plugin that I use for that. Then let's go to the next one. Yeah, so the plugin for this one is Nexus, just a pad. You can pick any pad of your choice. I'm sure you're aware of that. All right. Then let's look at this one. Yeah. So inside the bass, I also use this one. You can see the name of the plugin as indicated. All right. So that is what I use for the sub-on bass. So guys, pretty that's everything. So what I'm going to do right now is just to enable all the effects. I'm just going to enable all the mix effect and then, you know, master it and so that you guys can take a listen. Let's get into the front end. Let's take a listen.
You are listening to SamieRecords. 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 You are listening to SamieRecords. SamieRecords.